Hello friends, today I am going to share a video how to set ringtone in your phone. First go to the settings. After that go to the sound and notification, and in this here is phone ringtone. Then you can choose any ringtone from here. If you want to change your ringtone as a song and it is not visible here, so I am going to tell you how to put your ringtone here. So just go to the home screen and go to the file manager, go to the audio, and if you want to choose this ringtone, if you want to choose this song as a ringtone, so first you have to move this song here to the ringtone folder. So how to move it? Just cut it and go to the ringtone folder and here paste it. Now go to the setting and choose sound and notification, choose phone ringtone. Now you can see here is your song which you want to choose to the ringtone. Just select it. Now, okay. Now you have set it this song to as a ringtone. Thank you very much.